Most people dream of making money while they sleep. Most people want to have what is called passive income. That means you are making money, but you are not actively involved every day in the process of making that money. For most people, they have to go to work every day to earn a living. That means if they don't go to work, they don't make money. But what happens when there is no job? What happens when you are not fit? Everybody somehow should have what is called passive income. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited as always to have you back on the channel. Today we shall be talking about how to choose the best affiliate marketing programs for consistent passive income. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video whenever we release it. So let's dive into the topic, how to choose affiliate marketing program that will guarantee you making passive income on a consistent basis. Remember to like and share the video, and of course if you have any question, use the comment section. Number one is you need to consider the audience. If you're going to be making money on a consistent basis, there's one thing that must be guaranteed. There's an audience that's interested in the programs or products you have chosen, right? So you need to consider the audience. Who is the audience? Have you built any audience, or are you in the process of building the audience? Are the audience interested in what you are talking about? Because if not, the money will not be consistent, right? So that's the number one thing you must check. The audience. You must consider your audience. You must have the right audience who is interested in the kind of product you are going to promote, and of course that audience must be engaged. That means they must be actively engaged in whatever you are doing. They must love what you are doing. You must give them value on a consistent basis, and they must trust you. All right, so consider your audience. Number two is that you must review the product. The product you are going to be promoting, you must know the product. This product, do you know it? Is it a good product? Is it something that will serve your audience? If you don't do that and you just garbage in, garbage out, if you see any product you are just promoting, chances are you are going to promote the product that your audience are not interested in. Chances are you are going to promote products that are not good for your audience. The result will be you are not going to make any passive income. You may make the money on the first sale, the first day, but it will not continue. All right? So the number three is that you need to consider the price of the product. If you want to make money, affiliate marketing is tied to the price of the product, because every product have a price and there's always a percentage commission. 10%, 20%, 50%, some even go up to 80%. But let's say what you are promoting is a $2 product. I mean, 80% of $2 is how much? So you need to check the price. Now compare it to somebody who's promoting a product of, let's say, $50, and you are taking 80% of that money, right? So the price of the product is very, very important, because you are talking about passive income. Of course, the income should make sense. If you are making 0 point something dollar per sale, doesn't make sense, right? So you need to choose product. I'm not saying you should just go and choose any product because the price is high. No, I mean product that your audience will love, product within the niche you are covering, but of course with good price, so that your effort yields result, not you wasting so much time, but at the end of the day, you're not getting the kind of money, right, that your effort, that is commensurate to your effort. All right, so the price of the product is very, very important. The next thing, number four, is consider the commission. What's the commission? What percentage? Is it 10%? Is it 20%? Is it 50%? What is the commission ratio for that particular product? If a particular product is 50%, it's better than a product that is 5%, right? Of course, there's also the part of whether the product is physical or digital. All right, so that even brings me to that next point. So the next point is the product, is it physical or digital? If you want to do passive, of course, digital is better. Because with the digital product, so many things have been taken care of. There's no movement of anything. Even though in affiliate marketing, take note, you are not concerned with after sales. You are not concerned whether anything that happens after purchase is not your business, right? It's the company's business to sort out. Yours is you have made a sale, they have paid, they will give you your commission. But of course, I prefer, that's my own personal opinion, I prefer digital products. Because with digital products, there are so many things that will not come up. There's no logistics, there's nothing. You understand? Everything happens online, real time, and it's instant. Okay? So, and finally, what do you need to consider for you to make consistent passive income? You need to consider what is called cookie duration. There's something called cookie. A cookie is a piece of software, a piece of code that is dropped on your system immediately you click the link. When the customer prospect clicks on your link, right, there's a cookie that is dropped on their system to monitor their action. Now, for some affiliate programs, the cookie's lifespan is 30 days. For some, up to 90 days. For some, up to 180 days. So the cookie life is very, very important, because when somebody clicks on your link, and maybe the person didn't make up his mind or her mind to buy immediately, and buys the product after 30 days. If the cookie life is 30 days, you get your commission. But let's say the cookie life is 20 days. If the person buys after 30 days, that sales will not be attributed to you again. So look for programs with at least a lifespan cookie of 30 days minimum. Right? Because people don't really make up their mind that fast. Sometimes people just see something, they are still considering, they are checking their funds, the amount of money they have. Some are waiting for the end of the month. Some are going to save money for 2 months before they buy. So that is why you need at least some time. So go for affiliate product with a cookie lifespan of at least of up to 30 days. And if you have 90 days, beautiful. 180 days, awesome. All right? But from experience, what I've seen is that most products that are high ticket products have a longer cookie period, right? Some have up to like 180 because of it's a high ticket product. People need to take their time before they make that decision. Okay? But the most important thing is you need to understand that there's a duration. When somebody clicks on your link, there is duration that the cookie will last on the person's system before that sales will no longer be attributed to you. So these are the things you need to check before you can be guaranteed that this affiliate program will deliver passive income consistently. I will run through them again. Number one, I say consider the audience. Number two, I say review the product. Of course, you must know the product, use the product, and understand that it will serve your audience. Number three, I say consider the price of the product. Very, very important. And of course, number five, I say consider the commission. And finally, I talked about considering the cookie duration. So this, if you take note of this and you choose correctly, taking note of everything I say you should consider, you can be sure that once your passive income starts rolling in, you can go to sleep and money will still be paid into your bank account. So guys, this is where we're going to wrap up the video. And of course, remember, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead, click on the subscribe button so that whenever we release a new video, you are going to get a notification. And of course, I will see you in the next video.